Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2022 Lexus UX, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, the link for the product will be in the description below. With that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to prep the headlight. So to prep it, all you need to do is apply Slip Solution on the headlight and use a clean microfiber towel to remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. And once it's ready to go, we can start with the installation. So once the headlight's ready for the installation, we can start by applying Slip Solution to the headlight lens and Slip Solution to the tint film. And you just want to start by placing the film to the headlight to get an idea of how it's going to be laid out. So it should be like this. So you can see it's going to cover everything here. So once you lay the film, all we need to do now is align it to this section of the headlight first. So align it there and make sure everything else is aligned. But we'll fix it as we go with the installation. So once you have it aligned here, lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Make sure to keep it aligned, hold it in position, and tack it down. That way we secure this section of the tint. And you want to make sure we secure this top half and the bottom half here. That way the film doesn't move, so we need to make sure it's completely secured before we move on with the next process. Also, another thing you can use to help it secure more faster is applying a little bit of heat. That way the adhesive activates faster. So just apply Tack Solution, grab your heat gun, and apply heat around this area. And just slowly, little by little, help it tack down. Apply Tack Solution one more time. That way our squeegee is able to glide on the tint. And now the film should be secured now. So now we move on with the rest of the tint. So all we need to do is lift the film, stretch it just a little bit to reach it to this edge here. And to stretch the film, we need to apply Slip Solution on the headlight and on the adhesive side of the tint. Place it back down and just do a light stretch in order to reach it to this edge here. So like that, hold it in place, apply Tack Solution on the middle section so we can start tacking it down. So secure this spot, make sure everything's good, remove any solution behind the film, and then secure the top section. And now just finish off with this section here, lift it, apply Tack Solution, just to help the adhesive activate faster and we're able to tack it down more faster. So stretch it until it reaches the edge and then tack it down. Make sure it stays aligned. So stretch the film and tack it down. And because there is a small curve here, just take your time in tacking it down. So apply Tack Solution and just work your way on installing the whole film here. So guide it with your hand, tack it down, and just do the same on the bottom section. And now all we need to do now is apply a little bit of heat on this area. That way we bring down any fingers. And then once we're done with this, we can post heat the film. So apply Tack Solution and start applying heat around this area. And just squeegee all the fingers at an angle. That way we're able to tack them down. So as you can see, all the fingers that we had here, they became small after we applied a little bit of heat. And you just rinse and repeat until you remove all of them. Also, another thing you can use to help bring down fingers is wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee. That way you're able to tack down and absorb any solution that's coming from behind the film. So as you can see, all the fingers are gone, and you just do the same steps until you remove all of the fingers. And now we will move on to post-heating the film, and after you're done post-heating, you're done with the installation. So the last thing to do once you finish with the installation is applying tack solution all over the headlight lens, grabbing your heat gun and your microfiber towel to post-heat the entire film. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2022 Lexus UX. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.